This is how I used a big shop to build a small craft room. Using this very sophisticated software made for large cabinet shops, I designed my layout to best fit my needs for the size of the room. This is a small craft/laundry room. The design I came up with is a countertop on 3 walls at desk height, lots of drawer storage, base cabinets and upper cabinets, a computer desk with open bookcases above. I chose to have doors on most of my cabinets to keep the room looking neat. This software produces a full 3-dimensional cabinet with all the parts and any machining needed for the assembly and the hardware. Once my layout is just the way I want it, I process the job to the CNC. Each part is generated with all the necessary material types, machining information, edge banding instructions. The parts are then optimized to fit on full sheets of material. This is called nesting. There is very little waste. This is an auto-load Morbidelli CNC. Up to 40 sheets of material can be loaded on this CNC. The Morbidelli M400 has an automatic tool changer for up to 24 different router bits, and it has 25 independent drill spindles. In one operation, it drills all the holes, the dados, and then cuts the parts to size. Here it's drilling all the holes first. It cuts 3/4 inch material in one pass. This is the actual speed of the CNC. The parts are held down by a very large vacuum pump that sucks right through the MDF table. When finished cutting, the next sheet is loaded and the parts are pushed out the other end to be labeled. The software also generates the labels with all the information needed down the line. The next step is the edge bander. The part label will tell us what edges receive the PVC edge banding. The edge bander applies hot melted glue to the edge followed by the PVC tape. Then it trims it and the part is returned for the next edge. This is a CNC doweler. The barcode is scanned and it loads a program for this part. It drills a series of holes and inserts a glued dowel into each one. The hardware is attached to the parts before assembly. The cabinets are glued and placed into a pneumatic case clamp for about 5 minutes. The room is cleaned out and painted. You can see just how small this room can be. The upper cabinets are installed using French cleats and screwed to the studs. I added some new track lighting and under cabinet lighting. This will give us all the light we need for any project. The theme for this room is white and gold. Now this room is too small to have an island or a roll-around cart. You still need a place to store it. And it is part laundry room. This is our new LG wash tower that we absolutely love, and it's such a space saver. I have 2 convenient pullouts and a fold-down counter that's attached to the closet door. We can have 2 Cricut machines running and work on a sewing project at the same time. I have many more storage solutions to incorporate into this room. Please like and subscribe to see more of my woodworking and crafting videos. Let me know what you think.